Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use paddle shifters on your Lexus GS 350. First, locate the paddle shifters behind your steering wheel. The left one is for downshifts, and the right is for upshifts. To begin, shift your gear selector into manual mode, often labeled M or S for sport. This action gives you direct control over gear changes, enhancing your driving experience. To shift up, simply pull the right paddle towards you. For downshifting, pull the left paddle. You'll see your current gear displayed on the instrument cluster, confirming your selection. The transmission will hold the selected gear until you shift again or reach a safe RPM limit. This allows for precise control, especially when accelerating or decelerating. For optimal performance, downshift before entering a corner. This uses engine braking to slow the car and positions you in the correct gear for exiting with power. Avoid excessively rapid or unnecessary shifts, as this can put undue stress on the transmission. Paddle shifters are best utilized for dynamic driving, such as on winding roads or when you need quick, responsive gear changes. While in manual mode, the car's computer will typically prevent you from over-revving by automatically upshifting if you hit the red line. To return to automatic mode, simply hold the right paddle for a few seconds. This offers flexibility between manual control and convenience. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your Lexus GS 350.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.